Okay, in this next video I'm going to show you how to clip out a little lithological unit within a bigger shapefile. So if I go here to my table of contents and I take off this tick next to lithologies, you'll see I've got some a yellow rock unit here. I assume it's very young rocks. If we scroll up, you can see it's part of this quaternary rock unit, this yellow with the black circles. So we want to clip it out because it's not all main zone over here. And so if I zoom in over here, I'm going to clip out this rock unit over here, and you can see there's other things that you could clip out as well. So first let's put the units back on, but right click on here, go to properties, and we want to change the color from being this cream to being hollow so we can see what's inside our shapefile. And click OK, and you can see now you should just see the black or the blue outline. You can see a very fine black outline here, and we're going to clip this one out here. And so again, let's just save what we've done already. Make sure we've started editing. Make sure you clicked on it under create files and keep it on the straight segment, and I'm just going to outline this unit here, and I'm going to right click, go finish sketch. Okay, and it's outlined it here, and I'm going to go to editor and I'm going to go to clip. So I want to clip it out. Buffer distance is, do I want to add some distance on either side to clip as well? No, I don't. And I want to discard the area that it intersects, and I click OK. Okay, and so now it doesn't look like anything's happened, but if I go back here to my lithology and I right click and I go open attribute, it should have created, you can see here, an extra polygon. So this is our unit here, and I'm going to call it quaternary. Okay, and close it. And now let's give each one of these a different color. So how we do that is we right click on lithology, we go to properties, and we stay under symbology. Sorry, I didn't point out last time that when you get to this properties menu, you should click on symbologies before you click here and choose hollow. Sorry about that. I hope I didn't lose too many people. So we're still going to click on symbologies here, but instead of clicking on single symbols, we don't want to use the same symbol for everything. You're going to click here on category, and it's saying to you which category or field, value field, do you want to use to define the color of your rock. So remember, we have this ID field which has no important numbers in it, but rock units, each one has a different name for a rock unit. So let's select that, and it will allow us to assign a different color to each unit. So now you click on add all values, and now you can see it's listing our main zone, Pilanesberg, quaternary, and it's giving them each a different color. And you can click OK, and it should load that on the screen. There we are. So it's quite jagged, but that is how you could change the colors of all of your units. Another nice feature is that we could actually label our rock unit. So you would go here, go right click, properties, go across to labels. It can take some time to load. Okay, when the window appears, you're going to go down here, click on label features in this layer, and what field do you want to use as your labels? We're going to use this rock unit as our labels. You could go and create a separate column that's maybe got an abbreviation, because we've got very long rock names, but let's leave it as is for now. Go down here and let's change our size to 14, and you can click apply to check what it looks like. My computer's just taking a while to load. I'm going to click OK and see if it sorts out the issue. Sometimes when this happens, it means your graphics card is having issues, and just zoom out or zoom in and it will reload your graphics. Okay, and you can see the different labels. So it depends on what type of map you're trying to create. You might want to just go and have like an GN for Gabbro-Norite and Q for quaternary. You can always go and change. Remember how we did earlier? We right click, open attribute table, and then you would go here and do add field. But remember, you can only do that once you've stopped the editing. Okay, so we have labeled our units. Let's save what we've done so far.